Hello everyone and welcome to ATG. In this video, I'll explain next effect. So here I need an audio. Let's record it. Hey everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So let's see. Hey everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. So with the help of this audio, I'll explain the next effect in Audacity. So the next effect in Audacity is filter curve. Let's see how filter curve work in audio. So first select your audio, go to the effect, and here you'll get filter curve. In filter curve, if you get something like this, then go to the manage. Here you will see factory preset, and in factory preset select default, and now as you can see here a straight line. So first of all, filter curve is used to give extra bass and extra treble in a professional way. Okay, for example, here I am going to show you. When you will increase this side from midpoint, then it will add bass in your audio, and if you will increase this side from mid, then it will increase or it will add treble in your audio. Okay, and finally when you will drop down this midpoint, then it will balance your audio. Okay, so let's see here what is the result. Hey everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. As you can see here, this voice or this audio is much better than before, or it becomes a little bit professional. Basically, you can use this filter curve effect to make your audio little bit professional. Okay, and the next thing in filter curve is go to the manage and again go to the factory preset. Here you can see these options. You can select these options from here. You can give effect in your voice from these options as you want. So I hope you all understand the use of filter curve. So here I am going to explain next effect. Again go to the effect, and the next effect is graphic EQ. So graphic EQ is also used to give bass and treble in your audio clip, but graphic EQ is having more professional controls. Like if you know how the physical amplifier work, then the graphic EQ is better for you. Let's see how graphic EQ work. If you get something like this, again go to the manage, factory preset, and select default. And now from here you can add bass and treble in your audio according to you. So this side is bass like filter curve. It totally work like filter curve, but in this graphic EQ the controls are more professional. From this side you can add treble. It also works same like filter curve, and from here you can drop down these midpoints to balance bass and treble. Okay, let's see what is the result. Hey everyone, this is the sample test for Audacity tutorial. Okay, so as you can see here, the voice has become more professional than before. So I hope you guys learned something different from this video, and I also hope that you understand better that how to use this filter curve and graphic EQ effect in Audacity. So that is for today guys. Here I am stopping this video, and thanks for watching.